Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Today we'll see a very interesting video, useful video of course. Like if you're trying to connect a Bluetooth device and it is not detecting on your laptop Windows 10 or your desktop operating system that is Windows 10, then what would you do? How to troubleshoot or how to make your Bluetooth device identified by your laptop or your desktop which is using operating system Windows 10. So here in this video we're going to discuss about very basic techniques that can be done by anybody. So as you can see, there are two aspects to it. One is your Bluetooth device. For example, this is my earbuds, Bluetooth wireless earbuds, and the other thing is your laptop. So here what you're going to do is to troubleshoot both the things one by one. So for Bluetooth, just a minute. The two things that you can do for your Bluetooth is make sure your Bluetooth is switched on, it's not closed. If you're using earbuds or if you are using Bluetooth mouse or keyboard, make sure it is attached to your desktop or laptop, it is switched on. And the thing is, make sure that your Bluetooth device is nearby your device, like it should not be away like 10 meters or above 5 meters from the device, from your laptop or desktop. Make sure it is within the range of your laptop or desktop. Make sure these two things are in place, that is, your Bluetooth is on and it is within the range of your laptop or desktop. And the thing is, please read the manual of your device, Bluetooth device. For example, this is the wireless earbuds. I have to go through the manual how to pair that. If directly I try to connect, it won't. There might be some kind of process or procedure. For example, double tap. Earlier I used to have a Bluetooth earbud like Jabra headphone where I have to long press that button to make that identifiable of pairing that device if I'm doing it for the first time. So make sure you read the manual as well, how to connect, uh, how to start or pair the Bluetooth with your laptop or mobile for that matter. So this is one part. The next part is, as I've said, the laptop or the desktop that you use. So here first of all, you have to check that the very stupid or silly thing, but very important, that is your Bluetooth should be switched on. Many people forget to switch on their Bluetooth itself and then start complaining that my Bluetooth is like not connecting, or I'm not able to see my Bluetooth devices. So first you have to check that your Bluetooth feature is on in your laptop in Windows 10. For that you have to go to this action center. As you can see, the rightmost bottom part of your Windows 10 window home screen. You can see here, you can go here, go to settings. It will take you to this window. You can type Bluetooth device settings. This is one way, or else you can go directly here, type here Bluetooth and other devices. You'll land at same page. So here you can see this blue button. As you can see, if I click here, it will go to switch off mode. It will toggle between switch off and switch on. So you have to check whether this is switched on or not. You have to ensure that it is switched on. Once I switch on, it will start tracing or start identifying Bluetooth devices. So once it is done, the next thing that you have to check is whether your laptop is in airplane mode or not. Sometimes in Windows 10, if you have switched on the airplane mode, Bluetooth will be automatically switched off. First check whether your laptop is in airplane mode or not. For that, I'll go to, again here, I'll just type airplane mode. And once I do that, you can see it is switched off. For example, if I switch on this airplane mode, automatically the Bluetooth will be switched off. So make sure your airplane mode is switched off. Once you switch off, you'll be able to switch on your Bluetooth on. So once these two states are checked, then if still the Bluetooth is not connecting, or is not your laptop is not able to identify your Bluetooth, then you go on and again switch on or switch off your Bluetooth. For example, I go here, just 1 second, switch off, stay there for 5 to 10 seconds, then switch it on and see whether this is identifying or not. I'll just switch on my Bluetooth thing. So as you can see, AirDrops 441 It's obviously not pairing. I'll tell you why it is not in our next step. So switch off and switch on your Bluetooth once again so that it gets refreshed and starts identifying the Bluetooth devices. So this is one thing. And if still it is not identifying, then you can go to that particular device. If already it has been paired, then click that and see, and then remove the device. Once you remove that, again you can add it, of course. It's very easy. So remove the device and once again switch on and switch off the Bluetooth and add the device. It will come once you switch on, it will again identify that device and you can add the device later. Sometimes your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth, those two things are like handled by the same card. So if at all you want to, if still your Bluetooth is not connecting to your laptop or desktop, try to switch off your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, I'll show you here. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is already switched off for your information. So this is the Wi-Fi I used to connect. Either you can connect, or you can like if it is already connected to your Wi-Fi, you can disconnect your Wi-Fi here. So once it is disconnected, then the same card which is dealing with Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi will go for Bluetooth, will go for activating the Bluetooth. So you can try this as well. And the last thing that I face personally is, for example, this is my Bluetooth earbud. Just check it that it is not already connected with other devices. So as you can see, my Bluetooth is on. This is absolutely like switched on, but still I'm not able to like connect to this device. I'll show you here. So I go here and try to connect it, but as you can see, it is not connecting. So obviously, because of one reason, that is my this phone is already connected with this Bluetooth earbuds. So as you can see, it's saying that that didn't work. Make sure your Bluetooth device is still discoverable, then try again. So for that, I have to like switch off my Bluetooth from my phone. I have to check what all other devices those are connected with this Bluetooth earbuds. Then I have to switch it off on those devices and make it available to be connected with this laptop or desktop. So here you can see I have switched off my Bluetooth in my phone, so it is absolutely available. I'll again connect here. I hope, yeah, it is connected now. So as you can see, just for the last instance, or for the final check, just make sure that your Bluetooth device, especially those headphones or earbuds, it is not connected to other devices. For Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, obviously there will be one dongle kind of thing which you have to connect to the desktop or laptop. There won't be this kind of problem in Bluetooth laptop or keyboard, but in this kind of headphones or this kind of speakers, microphones, Bluetooth microphones, earbuds, you have to check whether these devices are already connected to other mobile phones or other laptops. Just check it. So these are some of the basic first aid kind of things that you can check, like if your Bluetooth is not being identified by your laptop or desktop which are using Windows 10 OS operating system. So do follow these steps, and if still it is not like detecting, then there could be something more. You can go to your devices, Bluetooth drivers, you can reload those drivers, or you can go to any repair shop to finally identify where the problem is. So friends, I hope this 4 to 5 steps what I've discussed in this video would be quite useful for you to make your Bluetooth devices identifiable by your laptop or desktop. If it helps, please like this video, and please share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of these very simple things while using Bluetooth, because a lot of items these days are running on Bluetooth, and it becomes very important that we know how to connect or pair those Bluetooth devices in our laptop or desktop. So friends, that's it in this video. Please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.